been watching my cat's friends cats for a little over a week, and I always love it. I've been enjoying every moment of it. Hopefully I'll be able to get one of my own, so we'll see, either cat or dog. I like both. Of 2022. Well, it is New Year's Eve. It is raining out, so we can't really do much. But I think, if you think about it metaphorically, it's a good way to wash away the previous year and all the negative and bad stuff and welcome in the new, right? Woo. Happy New Year! was not a good idea. And there was like, oh well. Happy New Year! Woo! Happy New Year! Alright, cutting my celebration a little bit short because I gotta be up in a few hours, so I'll see you in a few. Some sleep early tonight because I gotta wake up at 3 o'clock to head over to where I'm supposed to go for the Rose Parade tomorrow. So it's gonna be a fun day. I'm looking forward to it. It's a great, once in a lifetime experience, and very appreciative of it. So yeah, now I'm just gonna decompress and hopefully get a few hours of sleep. We'll see how my body reacts, because it's not used to sleeping early. Alright, good night. Oh yeah, and Happy New Year.
Trader Joe's.
time for a long nap. And boy, did it take a long nap. Thank you so much for joining me these last few days and coming along with me on my day-to-day and all the fun stuff we've gone through with ending 2022 and welcoming 2023. And what a great way to start the year. I'm looking forward to sharing with you all the adventures we're gonna go on this year. There's quite a few brewing behind the scenes, so I can't wait to share that with you all. Wishing you all good health and a prosperous 2023. Do come back next week as I'll have a whole new adventure for you. And of course, if you do like this video, do give this one a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't yet. Also, if you have a suggestion of a place you'd like us to visit, list it in the comments below, and who knows, you may just see it here on the channel. Once again, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. Wishing you all a good 2023. I'll see you all next time.